Hi everybody, this is Kimberly, and today I want to talk to you about masks. Thank God we're at a time period right now where we don't need to be wearing the masks, but there is a time possibly coming in the future again where we may have to be re-wearing masks again, and especially for kids that are going to school. So one thing I'd like to talk to you about is how to take care of these masks. Is if you're wearing a cotton one, it is recommended that you wash it every day. When you're done with your day, try to either hand wash it, let it dry. If it's a paper one, just throw it away. And consider getting smart silver. This is a nanoparticle of silver. It is not a colloid. A colloidal silver is different sized particles of silver that are all different sizes. A nanoparticle is all the particles are the same size. So I tend to use a nanoparticle, which is 25 parts per million, and put it into a little squirt bottle like this. And then what you do is you spray the inside of your mask, and that helps keep it clean. You can keep it clean throughout the day. Another thing you can do is also spray your face, especially for kids that may have to wear these masks all day long. You might notice that they get a little bit of a ring here or rashes around their nose, around their mouth. Spraying their face in the morning and the evening might be helpful with Smart Silver. This is antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal. And it comes in an 8-ounce bottle. It comes in a 32-ounce bottle. We sell it at our office. We sell a lot of this product, and it works extremely well. We also have a secondary sheet that's really helpful too of how you can use it if you get pink eye, sore throats, multiple different things you can use it for that are very beneficial. So that is something that I have in my home pharmacy and encourage you to as well. But masks are things that are going to be probably a part of our future. So if you feel like you have to wear a mask or your kids have to wear masks in the future going to school, I recommend getting some Smart Silver so you can spray these masks, keep them clean, keep their faces clean so that they don't break out with a rash as well. I hope this is helpful. Feel free to leave comments down below and let us know how we can answer some of your questions. But thanks for watching.